only has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, north central Davidson County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clemens, or 8 miles south of Winston-Salem, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Welcome, and Arcadia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina. This is the NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards.